Washing your car might seem like a simple task, but many people unknowingly make mistakes that can damage the vehicle's paint, reduce its shine, or leave behind streaks and spots. One of the most common mistakes is using the wrong type of sponge or cloth. Many people grab an old rag, bath towel, or kitchen sponge without realizing these materials can trap dirt and grit, which then gets dragged across the paintwork, causing scratches and swirl marks. Instead, it's best to use a microfiber mitt or a soft, dedicated car wash sponge designed to lift dirt safely away from the surface. Another major mistake is using household cleaners like dish soap. While dish soap may seem like a convenient choice, it's actually too harsh for your car's paint and can strip away protective wax or sealant, leaving the surface vulnerable to damage. Always opt for a pH-balanced car shampoo that's specifically formulated for vehicles. pH-balanced car shampoo cleans effectively without stripping wax or damaging the vehicle's paint. It's gentle on all surfaces, making it safe for regular use. Washing the car in direct sunlight is another common error. Although it may be convenient, especially on a warm day, the heat causes water and soap to dry too quickly, leading to unsightly water spots and streaks. It's better to wash your car in the shade, or during the early morning or late afternoon when the sun isn't as strong. Many people also make the mistake of not rinsing their car thoroughly before washing. Skipping this step means you could be rubbing dry dirt and debris into the paint, which again risks scratching the surface. A thorough rinse beforehand helps loosen and remove as much loose dirt as possible, making the actual wash gentler and more effective. Another overlooked issue is using a single bucket of water for the entire wash. When you dip your dirty mitt back into the same bucket, you're reintroducing grime and grit to your car. The two-bucket method, one bucket for soapy water and another for rinsing your mitt, helps reduce this risk and keeps your wash cleaner and safer. Neglecting the wheels and tires is also a common mistake. Wheels collect brake dust, road grime, and tar, which can damage them over time. It's important to use a separate sponge and cleaner specifically for your wheels. A soft wheel cleaner brush gently removes dirt and brake dust without scratching the wheel surface. Its flexible bristles reach tight spaces, ensuring a thorough and safe clean. Drying is another area where mistakes are often made. Letting your car air dry may seem easy, but it leaves behind water spots and streaks. Others might grab an old towel, which could be rough or dirty. The best way to dry your car is with a clean, plush microfiber drying towel that absorbs water efficiently and won't scratch the surface. Lastly, skipping the wax or sealant step is a missed opportunity to protect your hard work. Waxing not only gives your car a beautiful shine, but also adds a layer of protection against UV rays, rain, and dirt. By avoiding these common mistakes and following proper techniques, you can keep your car looking like new and extend the life of its paint and finish.